right now the price has already dumped on the gold chart, and as we can see, and as I have analyzed beforehand, that the chart going into a sideways means that it is going down further because it hasn't been able to form a complete bullish price action. So a sideways means the chart is still going down further, and it has already dumped on the chart. So right now what we are waiting for is we are waiting for the chart to form a bullish price action after this dump, right? And this chart on the 4 hours chart has been trying to form a bullish price action, but will it be able to complete? We're going to be checking out and see, right? Welcome to the Silent Trading channel. Today I'm analyzing the gold chart on Wednesday the 29th of April. So please watch with me and analyze with me. But before you guys watch, please subscribe, like, comment and share if you like this video to support me, my trading journal. So first things first, we are going to be starting on a 4 hour chart, because the 4 hour chart is the specific time frame that I've been using forever to open my position, because I believe that the best time frame to open a position is the time frame that is in the center or in the middle of all time frame, because it is a balance of every single time frame that is on the chart, right? So 4 hours is my preferred time frame to open a position, and right now I have a position open on a 4 hours chart, right? And even though the price has dumped beyond my position, it has already pulled back and then opened the next candle, right? And now it's trying to push up. So my position here is right now in a profit, right? In a floating profit position. So which means the thing that I'm trying to do is I'm trying to wait for this bullish price action to be formed, right? And preferably to be complete also, right? If it is a complete bullish price action, which means it is a valid bullish price action, the next candle retracement or the next candle retesting, right? The next candle forming a bottom wick retesting, I'll be snowballing on the next position, which means from my 1 unit of position right now, there will be 2 units of position, okay? So this is, I'm trying to demonstrate to you guys on how I'm trading by using paper trading in the trading view, right? The paper trading feature, which is also a demo trading. So I'm trying to educate you guys on how I'm trading by opening position for you guys to watch and see, right? In accordance or in alignment to my real portfolio that I'm trading also, because I'm using the same strategy in every single portfolio that I'm using. So I'm also using the demonstrating portfolio here to get you guys to understand how I'm trading and how I'm opening my position, and where is my position going to be open and where is my position going to be closed. Okay, so right now I have my position in a floating profit, right? And I'm waiting to close my position at above here at about 4550.62, which is about $20 of profit. And why is it at this spot? This is a spot that I'm having about 2,000 points of profit, due to my understanding on the chart that the chart will try to push up, right? Will try to push up and try to attack resistance, which means once the chart has tried to push up and attack resistance, regardless of whether the chart will be able to attack, will be able to successfully attack the resistance or not, I'll be closing my profit first. Because why? Because if it's just going to push up and then start pulling back and dump further, my position would have been closed and profits would have been taken, right? And what if the chart or market right now, after closing my position, what if the market really pushes up and attack this resistance and also will be able to break resistance? I will start buying at the next candle retest, right? The next candle forming a low wick to retest the market, to retest support. I'll be buying at that next candle retracement, okay? So by opening and closing at a few specific spot that I've been educating you guys, guiding you guys into opening and closing, because we open at the low wick and we close our position at the high wick, or we'll say we buy at the low wick and we sell at the high wick, right? So if you buy first at the low wick, we're gonna be selling at the high wick, or if we sell first at the low wick, you're gonna be buying if we sell first at the high wick, we're gonna be buying at the low wick next, right? So right now that the chart is trying to push up, forming a high wick, and we do not know how high this wick is gonna be, but we do know that this wick will try to attack resistance, but will it be able to attack resistance or not is another thing. And even if it does attack resistance, will it also be able to break this resistance is also another thing for us to analyze and wait, right? If it is able to attack resistance, even though our position has been closed, we're going to be waiting. If it is able to attack and break resistance, if it is not able to break resistance and it suddenly push up and then start pulling back, and the candle wasn't able to close above resistance, we're gonna be concluding that a bullish price action is not complete yet. If a bullish price action is not complete yet, we are not gonna be rushing to enter a buy position if a bullish price action is not complete yet, right? But if it is able to close above resistance, which means a bullish price action is complete, which means it is also a valid bullish price action, we are gonna be buying at the next candle retracement or the next candle forming a low wick to retest. We are going to be buying at that specific spot. Correct? So right now, are we closing our profit early? Not yet. But we are going to be looking at this price action, at this bar action on how it is going up, right? If I'm looking at a lower time frame, like let's say I'm looking at a 1 hour time frame, if this 1 hour time frame is able to close a bullish candle, right? And if it is able to close a bullish candle in the next 30 minutes, the next candle retracement while not attacking support, which means it is able to start pushing above further, which means this position I'm still holding on to it, right? But if the next candle, the next 1 hour candle start to attack support, I'll be closing my position first, because attacking support means accumulating buy side volume. Accumulating buy side volume means the chart has to dump, right? So why should I hold on to this position? Correct? But if the next candle retracement while not attacking support, then start pushing further, I'm going to be holding until this position takes profit by its own self. Okay? Or if even better, if this candle is able to close above this resistance on the 1 hour time frame or the 1 hour chart, I will consider moving my take profit a little bit higher, right? If it is able to close above resistance, right? The next candle retracement is a retracement to try and attack further, which means my take profit over here maybe move up higher, correct? And as long as the chart is still going on a sideways up direction, right? If the chart is still climbing up non-stop, right? If the chart is still climbing up non-stop, my position or my take profit will start going up further and further until the chart really decides to reverse. Okay, so if the chart is going into a sideways up direction, or if the chart is slowly climbing up, I'll be moving my take profit, right? As long as it is moving as long as it is climbing up slowly, my take profit will always climb up further also, right? It will climb up further until what? Until what is going to happen? Let's say I've moved my take profit over here, right? I move my take profit over here to about 5,000 pips or 5,000 points of profit, right? If the next candle retracement, then this retracement is a really small retracement, and then the chart start breaking up. This break above is the deciding factor as to whether I'm closing my position or not. Because why? Because a break above is always to take out volume that has been accumulated beforehand, which means if sell volumes has been accumulated over here, right? When the chart breaks above, it is to take out all of this sell side volume, and after taking out sell side volume, the chart may start to reverse like this, correct? So if the chart start reverse and then start pushing up while not attacking resistance, if the chart has pushed up and wasn't able to reach my take profit, right, I will be closing my own position at the next price action that I see is a bearish price action. Do you understand what I mean? right? So if it doesn't push up to take my profit for me, I will wait for I'll wait for even the slightest detail, the slightest hint of a bearish price action. Then I'm gonna close my position by hand. You get it? So which means if the chart doesn't take profit for me, and I see a hint or a detail of trying to form a bearish price action by reversing, pushing down, attacking support, pushing up while not attacking resistance, this is a sign of a bearish price action impending, right? This is a sign of imminent bearish price action, which means a bearish price action is happening soon, but I'm not gonna wait for it to happen because my profit will go way lower. So if I see a bearish price action forming or impending, I'm gonna be closing my position by my own self. Okay? Because why? Because if I see a bearish price action impending, I know that the next time the chart form a next candle, it is going to dump like this. Do you understand? So when I know what the chart is doing, I'm opening my position, and also when I know what the chart is doing, I'm closing my position. And when I know the chart is not going to do anything other than going up continuously, I'm holding on to my position. And also if I know the chart is not going to do anything except moving down continuously on its trend, I'm going to be closing on to my position until I see a price action, and then I'm closing it. Correct? So every time a price action is formed, we take action on that price action. But if not, we're going to be sitting on our hand and not doing anything, being patient and waiting for the best price action to form and reveal itself before we take action. Okay, so for today, this is all I'm going to be analyzing for you guys, because today I've been revealing a lot for you guys to understand, for you guys to learn that the best possible take profit isn't the take profit that you have always been chasing, because the best take profit is the take profit at the spot that you understand that the chart will allows you to take profit, not take profit at the spot that the chart does not allow you to take that profit. Okay, so the best thing in doing anything doesn't have to be only trading. It can mean any field of profession. You can do whatever job that you're doing, but the thing you need to be doing is trying to understand that job you're doing to the best of your ability, to be able to get the best possible outcome with the least possible efforts, right? So this is all I'm gonna be advising you guys on, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Today I may be a little bit late, but I hope that my advice, I hope that my information, that my experiences in trading has been useful for you guys, right? Has been helpful in trying to get profits for you guys, and hopefully hope to see you guys every single day after today, even though there are only a few of you watching my videos every single day that I've been uploading, right? I do know that you happen to get this information and you happen to understand and you are able to profit from this information that I've been sharing. That's why you have been coming to see my videos continuously, and I thank you guys for supporting me even though there are only a few of you. And I hope that my educating you guys and my guiding you guys will also hopefully make you guys reach higher high and higher low. Okay, so for today, that is all I'm going to be analyzing for you, and I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. See ya.